This year marks 30 years since South Africa's constitution set out a bold promise of dignity, equality, and freedom for all. As we commemorate Human Rights Month, we reflect on the journey of our democracy, the progress made, the challenges that remain, and what it means to live these rights every day.
I think the most important thing that comes to me is history being the greatest teacher. We are not doing this because we are pointing fingers or we are somehow putting the blame on the particular group or race that was the previous perpetrator, but we are simply learning from the past to say okwenzekayo ewe kwenzeka kodwa ke masifunde kuyo, sifunda ntoni kuzo ezo zinto ezo, ngoba ekugqibeleni ke asikwazi ukubaleka ukuba ngaba zehla ezi zehlo zingemnandanga. Abanye abantu baluza iintsapho zabo, abanye abantu baluza ootata, oobhuti, njalo njalo. Kodwa ke kusekutheni okanye endiqonda uba singumZantsi Afrika xa senza njalo kukuba ngaba singaphindi okuye kwenzeka, kodwa sifunde, sithathe ukuba ngaba kule mbali ingaka imbi eye yakhokelela into yoba ngaba kube kusuku lwamalungelo abantu. Zeziphi ke ngoku izinto esinozithatha kuloo nto ukuya phambili ukuze ke sibe nako ukukhusela ilizwe lethu nendima eseyidlaliwe. I remember when this time happened, I was a high school learner. And when at the time the country had to adopt this constitution, it was more relevant for that time. It's considered to be one of the best constitutions in the world, but one can argue that it is the best. Yet, in my personal opinion, it is the best on paper because it does not translate to answer the question as to why South Africa, we are one or leading in terms of inequality, in terms of our societies.
I feel it meant hope. The promise represented hope for many South African citizens. For the first time, people believed that they would be seen, that they would be protected, and that they would be treated with dignity. A promise that injustice of the past would not impact or affect the future.
If I has the promise of ubusi abantu baba nethemba into yoba zonke into zabo babezithandazela zizawuphendula. There was hope for South Africans. There was hope for umuntu omnyama. There was hope for a colored person because yonke into ayisenzeka before yayibenefit umuntu omhlophe.
I believe that you can't claim something you do not understand. And I felt that the more we are lacking awareness and information on our rights, we can't properly fight for them.
A typical South African does not even know the right side. They just know that the right to theater, the right to kutya, but the needy rights zomuntu omnyama. But abazazi.
You cannot challenge what you do not understand.
Kubalulekile uba abantu bawazi amalungelo abo because as a South African, ndine right to shelter and I need imbutho for that. I-constitutional right yam. So abantu funeka bazazi ke ngoku i-rights zabo into yoba ndine right yale healthcare system. Awufuneka ndiyoqunjelwa phaa ngoonesi nge-right yam ebhaliweyo kwi-biggest law of the country. Yabo ndine right to this, to the right to this. So abantu bethu abazazi ezi right.
Sekumgama osekhona osafuneka udlaliwe kwindima zoba bafundiswe ngakumbi so that I understand umuntu lento ba okay xa usithi ilungelo lakho unelungelo lento ethile unelungelo eliphilithini eliqale yaphi lipheliphi lingakanani kwaye ungalisebenzisa njani.